Back to the reception now. My bags are already here. I think they are going to do some sort of, spray on this. Spray painting la? Okay. So, do I just leave the bags there or should I bring it in?
Your rooms are outside only.
Okay. So they are having a hand sanitizer ready. Okay. Thank you. Can you please hold this?
Yes.
Thank you. How much temperature?
It's a temperature.
96.7.
Yes, sir.
Is it normal?
Yes, sir. That's normal.
Okay. Thank you.
Your name, sir?
My name is Vignesh. I just booked a
call.
little bit earlier. 2 hours back, I think.
Yes.
The route here is very hectic. To drive here is I think you need to keep bigger boards, I guess.
Yes, sir.
You know, sometimes the boards I'm not able to
Yes, sir.
notice.
We already checked with our this thing, government. They told we can't place big board.
Oh,
They
right.
told
right.
only smaller board we can.
Okay.
That's it. Please, sir. Please.
Yeah.
Please.
Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Welcome drink, guys. Guys, GoPro has got drained, so I'm just doing this with my mobile right now. This is a reception. It's very beautiful inside. I'll show you guys in a while after I charge my GoPro. So, energy? Oh, okay. So this is the campfire area. So they told me that there is a evening program or something. You can come and sit near the pool and have fun. Energy? High tea, yeah. Oh, okay. This is the wonderful view, guys. Going to the room. I hope it's not far away because your guy can't walk that much. Yeah, need to lose some weight. I got it. That's what you guys are probably thinking. Oh, nice. They even have a archery thing going on over here. I don't know. Bro, bow and arrow, knife throwing. What is this? Amba? Oh, okay. So it's a bow and arrow, and I think that's a dart throwing thing. Yeah. We'll come back here. We'll have some fun later on. Yeah, my aim is pretty good actually. Going. I don't know how I'm going to walk back all these slopes. Sorry for the shake, guys. It's just my mobile. I'm trying to hold it steady as much as possible. But this is it, guys. This is the room. Let's see how it is. Let's see if it's worth the amount they charge.
Car key model.
Car key model,
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think I'll have to figure that out later. Just doing some moves in the key. Bro, give me the bag. Sorry. Okay. I have to learn that in a bit. Okay, he's taking my bag somewhere. So this is the premium room, guys. I don't know if this is I think this is the last room they have available. Just a room. Yeah, first thing I wanted to see was the jacuzzi, like I told earlier. Wow. Nice. It's pretty neat. Oh, he emptied the whole can. My God. I don't know how it's going to be. And he's even rinsing the stuff which is left out, sticking to the bottle. Okay guys, let's check back in a while. In the meanwhile, let's see the view. Yeah, this is the bedroom. They have a huge TV as well. I don't know why this cabinet is kept so high. Oh, I don't think I will be able to reach there. Oh, they have an umbrella as well. Nice. Must be having some rainy days here. Every place in Ooty they provide bottles like this because there is a ban in plastic. Removable. Okay, okay. அது ஓப்பன் பண்ணுறது ஓகே சிங்க் ஓப்பன் பண்ணுறது ஓகே 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 சார் பார்த்துக்கிறேன் நான் அப்புறமா ஓகே ஓகே தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் வாவ் பியூட்டிஃபுல் ஐ நோட்டிசிங் திஸ் okay so he's gone I think this place is good for two guys but right now I just came alone okay thank you so let's go out and see the view. This door I don't know, yeah, this is how it opens I think. How does this open? I'm trying it in every direction. See guys, I figured this out. The guy helped me. He told me to, push it a little bit like this and then open the door. Yeah. So now we are able to see this wonderful view.